Morning everybody. Today, well actually I missed out on Beauty Tuesday yesterday. I was not feeling well. So today I am going to show you a very short, simple, very sweet video of how to do your makeup or at least under 10 minutes at least. And I'm only doing this because today my son has a freedom walk for 9/11 and I just want to thank all the men and women out there that actually, you know, sacrificed their lives and helped during the 9/11 and all the military service men and women. Thank you guys so much. So I want to thank you guys very much for that. But yeah, so before I start rambling on about everything, let's get on with this, okay? Okay, so first I want to start with my primer, and it's something I got from Ipsy. It's I honestly cannot pronounce this name, but it's the London. It's the Watermelon Burst Primer. I am so tired. Really early. So we're gonna put that on our face. Always prime the face first. I also been doing a technique that I've been seeing around where the women I love watching, Christine Dominique and Tati the guru, the light guru, they started doing their eyeshadows first and they would prime their concealer and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try that, see if it works. Hopefully it works, but we'll see. So yeah. Before I get too carried away, I am going now to go with a concealer because this is how it works with me. Some people are different, but do the concealer. I know some people have told me. I use a blending brush or a blending sponge and it's damp, so it works and it evens it out perfectly for me. So I'm just gonna go under. You make sure you don't want to ruin the eyeshadow shade. And if you do end up going over it, like I ended up doing, you can always go back and redo it again, which is not hard to do it under eye. I just cover the areas that I don't want blemish and zits or anything showing. And then I just dab at it. Now, I'm gonna go with the foundation. I use CoverGirl, and I like shake it to make sure it's blended. Let's get 3 pumps. And then don't forget your neck. Now that we got that finished, let's go in with, I don't honestly have time for a bake or anything like that, so I'm just going to go in with my full face blush, or brush, yeah, full face brush, and just dab off any excess. Make sure you don't get your eyes. I know it's a bad habit for some people. So the eyebrows is a must for me. I just need a better job. Bless you. So the eyebrows are a must for me. I don't have time to put things on. I'm in a hurry because I gotta make sure I get more coffee before I leave. So I'm just brushing it up because this is bed hair along with eyebrow. My hair's all messed up. Like, I don't know. You know when your hair gets all messy when you come right out of the bed and I got powder all over me.
I don't want to.
I had deep eye sets. If for the people that are out there that understand deep eye sets, is where, you know, your eyebrows stick out more and your eyelids suck in more. And mine's like a mix between a deep set and like a little bit of hooded because it kind of droops depending on how tired I am, which is all the time. So I'll probably do a video of how to apply the natural look of an eyeshadow effect for deep set eyes, so it would make your eyes pop out more and hide this part and make it work. Like, for us, I'm going to show you an example. Don't go with like the lightest highlight when it comes to highlighting your brows. Go with like the natural colors. So like I'm going to go with a little bit of bronze, just a dab because it mixes with it. And just do that. Then I'll take the blending brush and go back and blend it together. Come on, Kimberly, this is not an actual tutorial, full face tutorial. You need to get going. And yes, I am talking to myself. So, see, it hides my hooded part, and then I'm gonna throw in some color in my eye, just a bit. I did earlier, but it just did not stick out. Let's go with, I got blue and red on. Alright, so let's go with
red.
Yeah, I'll probably go with the light red. And then do anything. Sometimes if a brush don't work, use your brush. Girl, you are messing with my life.
No.
Yes, what are you doing? Quit trying to shove stuff in my armpit. So weird.
I'm not weird.
Yes, you are. Get away from me. Alright, so I don't have time to bronze or contour a little bit, so I'm going to take with my blush brush.
Do that to
Access. To make at least some color so I don't look dead. Weirdo.
I'm not a weirdo.
I know it's quick and easy, doesn't have the full effect that you're looking for, but like I said, this is a quick tutorial of how to do a makeup really fast. The video is going to go on and on and on, but I literally could do this under 10 minutes without the help of a child. Just doing the outer edges. And I realize this effect works on some people and it doesn't work on a lot of people. And what I do, since it doesn't give me that full effect that I like, honey, stop.
I just want to help you watch.
I just take a little bit of saliva. You know, some people are like, oh, that's gross. And I just soften the black eyeliner so it's not so rough with sharp edges. And I want my eyes to pop, okay? So I gave it a little wing right here. Can you tell the difference? It gives it that wing look and then a little bit of shade. Gosh, I cannot think. It gives it that shadow effect, kind of like that dark shadow. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just trying to think here.
Can I drink? I want coffee too. Can I have coffee?
You're nuts if you think you're getting coffee.
But I'm thirsty.
Want to get some? You got, honey, go get some juice. There's juice in the fridge.
Juice in the fridge?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it?
It said tea. Yeah, go give it to me and I'll give you some. See? Not bad. I'm gonna do mascara. Always start with your bottom. Because when you start with your bottom, look, see how with deep eye sets, you're gonna be touching this and the oils from your area up here, it always stay oily. It always does, no matter what. And then when the your eyelashes touch the oil part of your eyes, it starts breaking down your mascara, and that's when you get the flakiness of your mascara. The reason why is that. So always start with your bottoms. And I always push up and then back down, and then go with this. So if you ever notice throughout the day that, you know, your mascara is starting to flake, is because your eyelids always stay oily, no matter what. For even dry skin, your eyes are always oily. And when your eyelashes touch it with the mascara on, that oil starts breaking down that mascara because it's trying to protect your eyes, your eyelashes. So always, to prevent this, always stick with a waterproof mascara, which I always do no matter what. I just prefer it. It makes my eyes a little bit more healthier, sturdier, and I don't have to worry about sweating. Like, see, that's my fault. I'm just in a rush.
You're just in a rush?
You know what I was doing. Let me know in the comments below what you guys plan on doing today. If any men and women that served are having family day, like, tell me what you guys are doing. Tell me what you're cooking. If you're going to go see a loved one who's passed on, give him my condolences. Give him my thanks and my loves.
Thank you for watching my mommy channel.
And yeah, thank you for watching my mommy's channel. I honestly don't know anybody. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know anybody that was there for the 9/11. All I know is that I was 9 years old and we were in a hotel with my whole family. And long story short, someone burnt down our kitchen in our old home, very old home. We ended up having to stay in a hotel. But anyways, we watched it on TV and we were all devastated. Most of us didn't understand until we got older. But it's just the fact that we were there to live it and watch it as it happened on TV. I know there's some people that are conspiracies out there, and that's I just don't want to hear about it. People lost their lives because of it. But it's sad. I'm so sorry for everybody's loss. I really am. I just hope you guys have a better day. I hope everything's working out for y'all.
I want my lipstick. I want mine.
You don't have lipstick.
This is my lipstick. Daddy.
Oh. Really? No. That one's not. This one's. The really, really pink one.
The really, really pink one?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I know it makes it seem like this is really bright, but honestly, it's really not. See, bright? Not bright. And see how it starts flaking once the oils of my eyelids start touching it? It's because I just put it on, so it's not my fault. That is my fault. It's human error. But yeah, that's just pretty much it. I noticed that my face is already naturally somewhat contoured on its own because I had the heart shape. So let me just pull this down. Oh my gosh, owie. What? What is on me? Can you go get me a rag or something? What in the hell? Then usually after showers at night, I always put my hair up in that bun, and then you just. I said towel. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it, and tell me what you think. I hope you guys have a great day. Like, subscribe, and smash that bell, and stay tuned for the next video that's going to be happening today, okay? I hope you guys have a great day. Give everybody my condolences. I love you all, and I'll see you later.